Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about pointer in C++ programming. Pointers are variables that can store memory address of another variable. And to declare one pointer, the syntax is first you have the data type of the pointer, then the asterisk sign, and then the name of the pointer. And we can assign one address to the pointer. So first we have declare one variable, and then we can use the ampersand sign, and we can store the address of that variable in that pointer. And also we can declare and assign at the same time. So first we declare one pointer, and then we can assign one address of the variable to that pointer. And to access the value of the pointer, we use the asterisk sign along with the name of the pointer, and this will return the value of pointer in that location. So whenever we create one variable, the variable has one data section and one address section. So whenever we create one variable and assign it one value, then the value has been stored in the data section, and the storage location has one address like A, B, C and so on. So whenever we assign address of that variable to the pointer, so the pointer will have address of that storage location. And whenever we use one asterisk symbol along with the name of the pointer, then we can access the value in that storage location. So in this example program, we are going to create one integer variable and assign it the value 10, and then we are going to create one integer pointer ptr, and which will have the address of that variable. And then we can access the value of that variable using the pointer. So first you have the asterisk sign and the name of the pointer, and this way we can access the value of that pointer. So now I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see we have successfully accessed the value of that pointer. So this way we can declare one pointer and we can assign one address to that pointer, and this way the pointer will point to that variable. And then we can use dereferencing and we can access the value of that pointer. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.